guys, so we've just got to a place called Coral Gardens where we are about to do a 40-minute swim around the island. It's going to be amazing. The reef is meant to be absolutely beautiful, but I am freaking out a little bit just because of it's like dark water and you can't see anything. Obviously you can when you're in there because you can see the reef, but yeah, it freaks me out a little bit. I'll let you know how it goes, and we are taking a GoPro with us, so hopefully film some amazing stuff. You're meant to be able to see sea turtles and things like that, so yeah, I'm excited, just a little bit apprehensive. Hi guys, so we have just stopped at a little town on an island called CULION, I think. I'm going to leave the name of the place on the screen. It is absolutely boiling, so I am very hot right now, but we've just come up to this tower with this amazing viewpoint. The island is basically known for people here having leprosy, and so loads and loads of people and tourists and everyone has been scared to come to this island because they think that it's still infected, and basically in 2006 it was declared leprosy free, so it's definitely not. But yeah, apparently there's still people here who have had leprosy, and you can kind of see the effects from them having it. But basically our guides were kind of like, this island is amazing and people never come here because they're scared of the leprosy, but it's not here anymore, so they want us to come and see the beauty of it, and it is an absolutely beautiful place. Apparently there's waterfalls here, beautiful beaches, and you can see the water is crystal clear. So yeah.
Wow.
The other side is nothing compared to this.
I love it. It's like
there's no one here. Wow. Woo!
It's a paradise. Oh, wow. Unknown.
Oh, this space is insane. So crazy how like one half of an island can be so calm and then the other half can be quite choppy. Yeah. But it's because this side is protected by all these little islands. So there's just not enough waves, not a lot of waves going on. And me and KP are just walking to take a few snaps with these palm trees and the fact that there's no footprints on this beach.
So this over here is the sandbar. We're just going to go quickly before the sun sets. We were just, oh, it's super dark. We were just waiting for the tourists to go. So now we're going to swim over to the sandbar.
Go see the doggos. On the sandbar.
We're on the sandbar in the middle of the ocean.
Wish we had the drone to show you guys, but we'll show you some more drone footage in the Philippines soon. Yeah?
See, Janice, and this is one of the most friendliest one. Remember that in Segal there is like a jellyfish lagoon?
Is there? Yeah. We're going there.
We're going there?
Yeah, we're going there.
Hi guys, so we just got to Banana Island as the sun is setting. I look absolutely awful. We've just been like in and out of sea all day. My hair is like a big dreadlock. But anyway, it has literally been the best day. I think my footage has been all over the shop because there was a lot of swimming into islands, so I didn't want to take my camera because it's just a bit risky to swim even with a dry bag. So I don't know what footage I got on the island. I'm going to leave the name on screen here because I didn't find it out and I can't pronounce it even if I did know it. But we walked across to the other side of the island, and it was just us on the island, just us 8 and our tour guides, and it was honestly the most beautiful thing. The sand was untouched, there was not even a footprint on there, and yeah, it was just so beautiful. So hopefully I've got a little shot that I did put in further back. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that one because that was unreal. hopefully I got some shots of everything on the GoPro and things like that, and you can see how amazing this trip is. I'm going to leave all the details of the Big Dream Boatman company who we are with down below, because it has been insane. Joy, the main tour guide, is amazing. They just have so much knowledge, they're so helpful, and they've just like made the trip so good. But yeah, we did just stop at the sandbar, which was super cool. It's really unfortunate that we haven't got the drone working. Basically, you need to get an app which you need Wi-Fi to download, and we don't have any Wi-Fi on these islands, so we couldn't download that. Didn't realise that before we came away, otherwise obviously I would have downloaded it then. So yeah, unfortunately we didn't get a drone shot at the sandbar, but we obviously got a little shot on the GoPro. But apart from that, yeah, we just come to Banana Island. I think we're just going to have dinner and then go to bed, because we have to leave at 7 AM tomorrow. So I'll just leave this here for now. So yeah. So it is 7 AM and we are just getting ready to leave on the boat. We're trying to get to the Twin Lagoon before all the other tourists, so we have to leave early because they set off about 9, so if we set off now, hopefully we'll get there and we'll be on our own for about an hour or so. So I'm very excited about that. It's meant to be absolutely beautiful. And then I think we have one more stop and then we go back to Coron. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So we've just got to a little homestay back on Coron Island, and yeah, the boat trip is over. It's really sad. We did all our goodbyes and we all swapped email addresses and Instagrams. So hopefully we'll see some of them again, and India and I have said that we will be back because we would love to come and do one of the other boat trips that they do. So Big Dream Boatman is basically a company that started only about a year or two ago. I think it was a year actually. I think this is their second season, so they are trying to expand. They're doing, at the moment this was the Coron Islands, and they've got another one which is Coron to El Nido, and then there's another one that they're going to be starting soon. So yeah, they're just expanding, and hopefully we'll come back and do one of those. But I would 100% recommend them. Completely non-sponsored, but it was just the best trip. The guides were so knowledgeable and just so friendly and lovely, and they really made the atmosphere like amazing. So yeah, I had the best time, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do subscribe down below, and I hope to see you in the next one.